In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and rotate an image on your slide with precision and ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to insert or select the image that you wish to work with on your slide. You might already have an image on your slide, or you'll need to insert a new one. To insert an image, simply navigate to the Insert menu, choose Picture, and select your desired image from your computer. You'll notice that once the image is on your slide and selected, it will be surrounded by a blue bounding box. This indicates that the image is active and ready for editing. Additionally, just above the image, there will be a special feature that we like to call a circle handle. This is crucial for the next step. By hovering your mouse over this circle handle, you'll see your cursor change into a rotate icon, or sometimes a crosshairs symbol, and this is your signal that you're ready to rotate. It's a visual cue, letting you know that you can now manipulate the orientation of the image. Clicking on that handle, you can drag it left or right, leading to the image rotating to the angle you desire. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your images appear exactly as you intended. Make sure to keep an eye on the angle as you rotate. The software usually offers a real-time preview of the angle as you're making adjustments. Once you've found the perfect angle and are satisfied with the orientation, release the mouse button. This locks in your change, and from here, you can go a step further by repositioning or resizing your image. To reposition, click on the image to highlight it and simply drag it to your desired spot on the slide. Resizing is just as easy. Hover over any corner of the blue bounding box until a double-sided arrow appears, then click and drag inward or outward to decrease or increase the image size. Remember, if you want to maintain the image's proportions, hold the Shift key while resizing. And there you have it. With a few simple actions, you've not only inserted and positioned your image but have also rotated it to your liking, engaging your audience with visuals that are well-aligned and effectively placed. This can significantly enhance the impact of your presentation. I hope this guide helps you to create more attractive and dynamic slides effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. So, go ahead and give it a try on your own slides. Until next time, take care.